Because coal slime generally contains more clay minerals coupled with higher water content, fine particle size composition, so most coal slime viscosity, some also have a certain fluidity. These characteristics make it difficult to stack, store and transport slime. However, slime ball press is a good solution to this problem. Coal slime ball press is the raw material after grinding directly on the machine production without adding water. It can complete the pressing work of coal slime, pulverized coal, iron powder, coking coal, iron filings, oxide sheet, and other powder materials. Its purpose is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics. Another capacity design is mainly used for pulverized coal pressing into pellets. Next, introduce the structural composition of slime ball press. 1. Coal slime ball press feeding part, mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2. The main transmission system, motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear roll. 3. Forming part of coal slime ball press, the main host part of the ball press, and the core part is the roll.